going upside down.
Hi.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Today, well, now we are going to a fireworks show for New Year's. How you feeling, mother?
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Well, I'm feeling like we're going out quite late in the evening.
Alright. That is what we're doing.
It is quite windy and cold outside, so we've got jumpers and boots on.
Right.
And we don't know what to expect, do we?
Well, I think it'll be alright. First sneeze. Yes.
That was nice to do something, wasn't it?
It was.
Different. Floating, isn't it?
Okay, we're still tree height, this is good.
Yeah.
I'm actually getting quite anxious right now.
What are you talking about?
I don't like heights.
Oh my.
It's fine.
Oh god.
No. No. It's fine, look.
Is this as high as it gets?
Yeah, almost.
Oh god, I feel a bit funny.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Look at the view. We're going over the top.
I don't feel very
Sorry,
good.
No,
I
you're
don't feel
fine.
very good either.
Why have we stopped?
No, we're still going up.
Why have
No,
we
we have to
stopped?
stop.
Why have we stopped?
Because they have to let other people on. It's normal.
No, don't even
Oh
talk.
my god.
Look, you've got the chance of view now.
Stop, my head's going funny.
Where?
Oh please don't
No.
even freak out!
Shh.
Oh god, I'm gonna start having a
No,
panic.
no, you're not. Breathe through your nose. Breathe through your nose. Deep breaths, you're fine. You're
If anyone
fine.
starts making fucking freak noise,
Hey, shh.
off the whole back caves in.
Why did you say that?
For ages.
Oh, the feeling hasn't yet come over me, but I'm frightened it's going to.
I'm fine, exactly, so it hasn't even flown you.
We're
so
not
there
over
we
the
are.
top yet.
I can feel it could.
Wrong, almost.
You're filming me. He's being
We were
really
filmed the whole
mean.
time.
Huh? Whoa, this is hairy. This is the hairy bit.
Why?
I think it's because I'm going backwards.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? I'm doing great, thank you for asking. And today is our travel day back home. Oh hello, it's black and white, look at that. Hold on 1 second. There we go, got some colour back. Anyway, yeah, today's our travel day back home. We have had a great holiday here. We've been actually like on holiday for 14 whole days. I'm currently trying to fix my sleep schedule so that I'm on UK time. I believe that if your eyes are just in darkness, they can get a similar like rest, like sleep. So if I do that until people in the UK start waking up, then take it off, and then I should be able to get into the sleep pattern and not get any jet lag, like I did on the way here, and it worked. Didn't get a single bit of jet lag, which was great. So we just packed all our stuff up, and we're just checking the house, make sure we left it alright, because we've done a house swap. So the people who live here are coming back soon, about 20 minutes. Arrived at the rental place after saying goodbye to our auntie and uncle and cousins. Bloody hell, it's bright. It's not as warm, today, but still really bright. Well, it's the same as those.